and welcome to another one of these like bonus Ipsy videos where it's not the official Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus or anything like that. This was one of the like deal of the day things or bonus add-ons that were sent separately, and a few of them have kind of built up. I think these are from 3 different transactions, but individually they weren't worth a video, but together I think they're more worth it now. So without further ado, we'll get into it. So the first was one of those like $5 deal of the days for like a duo, and it was 2 nail polishes, and both of them were kind of awesome. So from Cuccio Color, which I remember the other one that I got from them I really liked. This one's a more purpley color. This one is called, what is it called? Is it not on the outside? Guess not. What is it called? Mercury Rising. But look how pretty it is. Like, that is freaking gorgeous, is it not? And if it wears like that berry-colored one does, I cannot wait to wear that. So, we've got that one. And we've got from Color Club, Ghosted, which I don't even remember what color this is. What color is Ghosted? Is it white? It's not. Oh! Okay. I totally don't even remember it being that color, but that's pretty too. Okay. Cool. That and the purple together actually complement each other really nicely. I've had a couple others by Color Club in the past. I don't think I've ever gotten around to reviewing any of them, so maybe this will be the first one. So there's that. There's those. And then we have a little pack of face masks, because of freaking course we do. What we've got here is some sheet masks by Playlist. Are these the same one, or are they different? Let's look. Looks like there's a couple in here. Whoop. I think they might be the same one. That's okay. Yeah, they're the same ones. So this is the moisturizing and brightening, which are like the 2 biggest things I look for with sheet masks, with tiger grass and snow mushroom. Now, how often do you hear of those in a sheet mask? Pretty sure never. Maybe tiger grass, but I don't think I've ever heard of snow mushroom being one. So I'm like, oh, that's unique. Bougie. Alright. So let's put those. Actually, they don't need to go back in here. We can leave them out. And also by Pacifica. These are cute. They're watermelon crystals targeted face masks. Smile lines, eye areas, and other spots that need love too. Watermelon, quartz, and frangipani for all skin types. Single use only. I'm trying to figure out how exactly these work. I mean, they're cute as you know what, but I'm like, how do they work? I may need to look at a review of the. Oh, okay. Actually, on the back it shows it. Interesting. So the quartz is known as the stone of self-love and self-healing, used in skincare for centuries. Watermelon extract contains vitamins, amino acids, and lycopene, and frangipani is a synergistic compound that helps promote and target dry skin. But yeah, so this is what they show on the back. I'm like, oh, okay. So they're 3 separate things. Okay, whatever. I don't know. Again, I'm probably just gonna look up a review, because this still confuses me how exactly to use them, but it's a cute idea. And it makes me think of the Freeman face darts, which, I mean, I've never bought or used, but I've seen them, and I think it's like the same type of idea, so. And the last thing I've got in here to show off is the Violet Voss Creme Brulee Fun-Sized Eyeshadow Palette. And this, I'm very excited about. Let's open it up and see them in person. If these are as pretty as I think they are. Ooh, they're even better. So let's just take the plastic off for a second. I'll put the cardboard in front of the mirror so we don't blind ourselves with the lamp. But look how pretty the colors are. Oh my goodness. And it's about to be fall, so these are going to be so perfect to wear. But oh my gosh, even that orange. I know, I'm still rocking last year's desire for all the orange eyeshadows, and I don't even know why that color of all the things is the one that I had such a boner for and apparently continue to have one for, but it is what it is. I mean, it did seem like maybe it's a little bit of I kept seeing seemingly everyone else wearing orange, and maybe I just really wanted to be in on the trend. It seemed like every YouTuber I watched was wearing orange last year, and I was like, I need in on this. It looks awesome on literally everyone. I want my eyes to look awesome, and when I wear it, my eyes do look awesome. Thank you very much. If you're asking me, I mean, it's not often I say that. I don't have any on right now, kind of wish I did, but when I do, I mean, my eyes look like a freaking sunset, and I love it. And I mean, some of you may think it's too much. Honestly, I don't. I love it when it's all over the top like that. But anyway, I really enjoy wearing orange eyeshadow. As unexpected as it is, I don't know. I feel like yeah, a lot of people with blue eyes wear it, and it complements really well because, I mean, the contrast color for blue is orange, so that's a very natural choice to go for with a lot of oomph in contrast. But, I mean, even for having brown eyes, I feel like that just kind of ties in with the whole autumnal look of orange and brown, does it not? It does, it does. So, I think it's equally as natural a choice, just for different reasons. So, I'm kind of babbling here, just waxing rhapsodic about orange eyeshadow. I should shut up. So, anyways, I don't have anything else here to show off, so that is it. So you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.